Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super handy feature on your Android devices that you might not be fully aware of, Nearby Share. It's Google's answer to seamless file sharing, making it a breeze to send photos, videos, and documents to devices around you. But what if you want to turn it off? Whether it's for privacy concerns or just to save some battery, we've got you covered. Stick around as we walk you through the steps to disable Nearby Share on your Android device. First up, grab your Android device and let's get started. The process might simply slightly vary depending on your device model and Android version, but it should be fairly similar across most Android devices. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings panel. If you don't see Nearby Share here, you might need to swipe down again or swipe left to find it, but we're not toggling it off here. Instead, you'll want to dive into the settings for more control. So you head to your main settings app by tapping on the gear icon either in this panel or in your app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on Google. Here you'll find various services and settings related to your Google account. Look for device connections and tap on it. Now you should see the Nearby Share options. Tap on it to enter the Nearby Share settings. Here in my device it has written Quick Share, so I'm gonna tap on it. At the top you'll see the toggle to turn Nearby Share on or off. Go ahead and tap the toggle to turn it off. And that's it, you've successfully turned off Nearby Share on your Android device. It's as simple as that. If ever you want to turn it back on, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch to on.